welcome back to my channel. Woo! So you already know the day. You already know the title. It's a maintenance vlog. About to get my hair done, and my hair is wrapped already. I'm here a little earlier than usual, so I'm just waiting in the car until she tells me she's ready. So yeah, let's get into the video. Bye.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm around, yeah, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, yeah, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, yeah, I'll be there. Girl, I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic anytime that we're together. Come here, 'cause it's time. Hold you for my life.
Porque mi esposo va ahí para esa la semana. No voy con mi esposo. Digo mi...
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for my life. So tight, coming closer. You were there by my side. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
That's how you do it. This is wrong. Like, what? Are you dumb? Okay. Y'all, look at my hair. I can record all the time because my battery's about to die, but look at my hair. Like, are you dumb? Your hair is so bomb. This hair is so bomb, y'all. What mother freaking lace? Like, what mother? My face is breaking out. But what mother freaking lace, y'all? It is so mother freaking cool. Hi. So I have these things to get. That's what I got. Found the Hydro Jet Primer. Y'all, this is the one I usually be getting sometimes, but I need a better primer because at this point, that's all I know. Okay, next we got the Super Goop. We got a Super Goop sunscreen. Gotta go get that real quick. I'm like in and out. Super good. Yeah, see super good. Okay. Sunscreen. Y'all remember last time my sister got the clear glass slipper one? I'm gonna get that too. I want like a clear gloss, so I believe it's glass slipper. And there we go, just like that. And my bag. Now I'm ready to go home. I'm so pressed to go home right now. Like, you don't even understand. But I'm done getting everything I need to get. Now I gotta get my toes and I have to get my nails done. Ah! Y'all, it's a whole new day. And I have been looking all over for a really bomb nail tech because I be going to like, you know, the Asians. I've been looking for nail techs. I finally found a nail tech. This is my first time trying her out, so I'm super excited to get my nails done. I want a very personable nail tech, somebody that could be like, oh yeah, I'm coming to you all the time. Because one thing about it for me, if you do a good service, you got a long customer. You have a customer that's a loyal customer, a customer that's going to be with you to the very end, like if you do a good job. Oh, and by the way, let me show you guys the picture, the nails that I'm planning to do. See what the nails look like? Okay, cool. Look, this is what my nails looking like now. I know, it's a little crusty, but we about to get it done in the next second, okay? So, yeah. Hey y'all, so my battery died, but it's whatever because I want to show you guys my nails. I want to show you guys my nails. She ate that, y'all. Look at my nose. Because what? Look at my nose. You guys see these? Bomb. Like, she really, really ate that. This is my first time finding her. This is my first time finding her, but I'm gonna really show you when I get in the house. I'm about to go get my toes done, do my eyebrows, clean them up. So I'm gonna talk to you guys. We gonna talk about these nails and everything else. Like so bomb. Like what? Are you dumb? I'm finally back home. I feel like I've been doing a lot. I'm so tired, but I wanted to properly close off this vlog. Look at my brows. She did a good job. I don't usually get my eyebrows done because I'd be scared that every time I be getting done, just be thinning out. So this is what it looks like. And I kept telling her, I don't want thin eyebrows. My eyebrows was thicker than this before. Now we got a long way to go. But these are my nails. I really love my nails. It was giving me Christmas vibes, what I wanted. I might get them long next time. I feel like this is really short for me. My curls are done from the hairstylist who did it, so I'm gonna try to curl it myself on vacay. And my toes are done. I don't want to show y'all my toes yet. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know why I feel like I'm out of breath, but thank you guys so much for watching this Vlogmas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and interact with me in the comments, not just on my DMs. Interact with me on my comments. But I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Mwah.